Hello my kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So I've been seeing a lot of videos on the internet, on social media, anywhere really, of people putting on their contours and their highlight underneath their foundation, which I thought was very interesting. So I wanted to try it myself. This is the look and I think that it came out really good. I'm very pleased with the outcome. Before it was a hot mess, but we did it. So go ahead and stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and check down in the description box for all the products that I used. So for eyebrows, I'm using the Milani Precision Brow Pencil, and this shade is in soft brown. Alright, so for concealer of my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with NARS Radiant Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Biscuit. So I'm going to go in with the Nomads palette from Juvia's Place. These colors don't have any names, but I'm going to use this one first. I'm going to go in with the California Love Color Pop palette. And this color is Gold Rush. I'm going to put that in my outer corner just a little bit. This is Laguna and this is the Bay. So it's kind of the same shade, but not really. Anyways, I'm going to go in with Laguna, which is this one. And just tap up. So now I'm going in with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black. And it's really tiny. It's really, really skinny. Oh, too much. I'm going to wait till the end to put on my lashes, but no, we're going to dive into the face. So I have it already moisturized. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of correction to hide these blemishes. Now I'm going in with my rice powder to help with the oils. So now I'm gonna highlight, contour, and then I go into my foundation, see if it come out right. I'm gonna contour with Black Opal Suede Mocha as usual, and I'm gonna highlight with the Soft Matte Concealer that I use for my brows. So let's do this. All right, so now I'm gonna just blend everything out, and then I'm gonna go on with my foundation. I don't know how I feel about this right now, but you know, I see people doing it, it come out right, so we're just gonna stay optimistic and just hope for the best. I'm just gonna use this brush. My other brush is dirty, so I'm gonna use this one. This is the part that I'm most nervous about, but again, we're gonna be glass half full. I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation today in Caracas. And this is my favorite foundation besides Fenty. But this is my favorite foundation. Love NARS. Definitely need more. Okay, this thing actually worked. This actually freaking worked. Why never tried this before? This honestly looks really, really good. Really good. I need to fix those brows. Need to fix those eyebrows. All right, so now time for my usual. All my oily girls, you got to set your face before you set your face. So I'm going to set my oils with the Maybelline Matte Poreless Powder. One for the highlighted areas and one for the contoured areas. I'm going to use Sacha Buttercup for my setting or my baking. I'm going to go with MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish and Dark Deep to bronze up my face. Then I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty's setting powder and cashew. Should really get the honey one, but it's cashew. And just use that as my all over powder. All right, so Mario Badescu. Give my face back some juice. So I'm gonna go in now with my new favorite blush, which is the Else blush, and this one is in spicy, always spicy. So I'm gonna go with MAC's Cyber World. I don't know how to pronounce this. Buxom in Reveal. Then I'm gonna go in with the next one, Undressed. This one's just in the center. Make sure you put on chapstick before you put on these because they dry. They get dry. And then the third one is Bluff. So there you have it, the finished look. This is my highlight and contour before foundation look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in another video.